While driving across Burkitt Road, T Nagar late evening, something instantly caught my eye. I couldn't resist stepping in, but trust me, I'm so glad I did. This is a newly opened store specializing in home decor, handicrafts, and furniture inspired by Indian arts and crafts. Every piece here is crafted with mastery and devotion to keep India's artistic heritage alive. They also specialize in stunning Tanjore paintings created by national award-winning artist Mr. Kamalakannan, who owns the store. He even conducts hyper-realistic art workshops right here in the premises. Now coming to what I found inside. The vibe was calm and so beautiful. Tiny brass idols, a variety of handcrafted lamps, brass tumblers, unique showpieces, Tanjore art, wood-carved idols, tile-work wooden furniture, terracotta bells, you name it. They even customize paintings and furniture. Price starts from just $350, so there's something for every budget and every home. So if you're looking for unique home decor for your home or to gift someone, don't forget to check this shop out.